Good afternoon. I quickly want to show us a video on how you can use your phone to do the exams, which is coming up anytime soon. So, quickly I'll try and show us that. Okay, first things first. Invitations will be sent to you. Normal invitations, either through Google Calendar, through your email, or through the Google Meet app. So I just quickly want to show you. If it was on calendar, you just need to click on your calendar. It comes up, you see the time for the exam. It's already scheduled. Like for this, I already have test exams in my Bible Center good. So I just tap on it. When I tap on that on my calendar, if you see on this place, it shows join with Google Meet. So I can tap on that and go there. But if I'm not doing that, if I want to go through my Google Meet app, let's go through that. All right, let's not use calendar again. Let's use Google Meet app. So I have the Meet app here. I tap on it and wait for it to come up. So when I get into my Google Meet app, all I need to do is to scroll up. If I don't see this here, I can scroll up. I'll see my meetings which are scheduled for me. So I click on join. So when I join in for the meeting, the next thing I need to do, I need to leave my voice, that's my speaker on, and I need to leave my camera on. Both of them need to be on for me to have this exam seamlessly and okay. All right. So some things that you need to know is that while having these exams, your camera must always be on, and also your speaker will also be on. So what you just need to do at this point in time, just minimize one of the three buttons beneath your phone. The first one, can use it to minimize the second one too. So you use one of them to minimize and quickly go to your browser. So let's do that. So I minimize this. I go to Google Chrome. I open Google Chrome. Alright, so I open a new page. Under where to type address, all I just need to do is to type my address here. So the address is www.hopeacademyschools.com/exams. So I do that. So one thing you need to be sure of also is your network. Your connectivity should be good. It shouldn't be something that it's a drag, but it should be something that is good. So when you open this, most of the students are already used to this platform. So type in your username. Mine is sorry. Type in your password. Alright, maybe yours doesn't load the first time. You try it again. Try it again. Make sure it's correct. If it's not correct, it's going to give you an error message. And that's why we say always be online. Always be online. So one of the basic things is that if you're having any issues logging in, always be on your Google Meet app. You can come back here, minimize, go back to your Google Meet app and chat. Hello, sir. Like maybe the invigilators are there. Just be like, hello, sir. I am having an issue logging in. You understand? And we will try and help you from there. So that's one of the reasons. And also we'll be posting instructions through this medium. So always be online. Just all you just need to do is minimize. Always be online. We can give you an instruction. If you are hearing any noise from your background, by typing something. So in between intervals, the time for the exam is pretty longer than what we have usually. So we'll expect that you're able to finish that. So you can always come back after some few minutes, check the chat to see whether I've posted anything. Or if we want to call your attention, we can also speak. But one of the ways we are going to do this is also by quickly telling you um, to come back to the chat and look up to see any instruction. So I go back and I tap, or I'll see the exams which are ready for that day. For an example, test examination one is ready. It's ready to execute. I click on execute. Now I can read the instructions. Whatever time for the exam is 20 minutes now. Mark score is 40. All right. That's our questions. Okay, there's a password. There's a test password. So we try to type in the password. Password is wrong, it won't give you access. For example, let's try this. So this password was wrong, so it won't give me access. So you have to be online. So so we might also chat you up the password through that means. So when we chat you up that password, you type it in here. So you always have to check the chat. You come back, check the chat. You say, okay, we tell you password. Maybe we type something like this password. Um, has school. So you go there and type in that. So you see this, you go back and type in the password. So now you can see the questions. Which of the following is responsible? For an example, is police. You can see a radio button beside police here. You can tap on it. It ticks the answer. So you can check here. You see confirm next. Just click on next. No need to click on confirm at all times. That's confirmed. Now if you have answered the question and you have gone ahead of that question by clicking on next, it's going to show two positive signs. That's plus plus. The questions you have not tapped on, it will show minus minus right up to the end. So that's for that. So let's see. Maybe we don't answer the next question. We'll move to the next one. Now you can see that it now shows plus minus for that question. That means you have not answered the question, but you have seen the question. All right. So maybe you answer this question: which of the following organization is responsible for conflict resolution? And maybe you put ECOMOG for an example. So mm, or you put yeah, whatever you want to put, you can put AU, whatever. So when you're done with your exams, your teacher or your the invigilator can also tell you to type in the comments. It's very important. Please take every instruction very carefully. Maybe it tells you the comment is I love Hope Academy. Um, Hope Academy schools. So schools. So please, all these instructions are part of the exam. Not listening to an instruction can cost you the exams. So and this also will be chatted through, and we can call in your attention through voice or through just the chat. It's supposed to have notifications on, but if your notifications are off, there's no problem. We can also tell you under your comments, you can just type it there on the comments section. Okay, under the comment section, then we tell you what you should type. I love Hope Academy School. So for an example, that's what we ask you to do. For an example, so on that comment section, I love Hope Academy School. So you just type in I love Hope Academy Schools, then you go back and all you need to do when you're done, you scroll down to the last part. Come here, click on terminate exams, and please always have. Now I'll just repeat this: have a good network reception, because that really matters, so that you don't go off and on. And if you can notice something, I just have basically two apps running on my phone, so that there'll be a seamless movement. Don't load your phone with like 10 apps, maybe PowerPoint or whatever. Just this should just be the two apps running on your phone, so that you can have the seamless move. All right. So if you're having too many apps running, you're having WhatsApp running, Telegram running, and everything, and it's lagging your phone, and can't even do what you ought to be doing at that time, it's of no use. So please, that's that for So when you're done with your exams, for those who want to change their password, you can click on user, and under user you can come to change password. So under password you can type in their current password, then type in the new password, then type in also the new password again, then click on update. So after doing that, the reason why I gave me this wrong or error message is because I didn't put anything in. If I did put something in, it wouldn't have done that. All right, so that's for that, for the setting up of the exams and all. So when you're through, you just click on log out, and please don't forget your password. Please, I repeat, don't forget your password, especially the new one you're creating. Don't forget that password. All right, thank you very much, and I wish you the best in the upcoming first modular test for this third term. God bless. Thank you.